Car shopping can be kind of the worst. So many choices, so much math, so much time at dealerships. So one day we had a crazy idea. What if car shopping was easy? What if we let shoppers pick their own monthly payments? And all that math just happened automatically? What if you had a garage to save, compare, and customize vehicles so you could quickly find the best deal for you? And then check out completely online in 3 quick steps. Just like that. And if you ever wanted to talk to an expert, our friendly team would always be there to help, online or in store. It's a crazy idea we call online shopper, because it's for you. So go ahead, get started. Try car shopping when you're in the driver's seat. It's kind of the best.